What's up, guys? Philip at Trade Genius. All right, so you know the futures contracts that everyone got so excited about in the end of 2017? Well, the CBOE is one of two organizations, the CME is the other one, that has futures contracts. The CBOE is the smaller one, and we've covered that in various Bitcoin futures expirations videos. Well, they've just announced that they're going to stop issuing new contracts for the Bitcoin futures. So they're not going to be issuing any more Bitcoin futures. What that means for Bitcoin, well, we're going to dive into that in this video. So let's check it out.
Trade Genius.
Okay, guys. So, when we cover the Bitcoin videos on futures, if you've been with us, you notice that we have these lines that represent the Bitcoin expiration dates, or futures expiration dates. So the red one is the CME contract. That's not what we're talking about. The yellow one is the CBOE contract. That is the one we're talking about. They were the first one to list a contract and get it listed on the markets. And a lot of that hype was part of why we ramped up to 20K or towards 20K at the end of 2017, early 2018. So the yellow lines, they're not going to be issuing any more contracts beyond this last one that expired. And as you notice, what we've been doing on these has kind of just been going sideways through them. They've been kind of inconsequential as of late. So how does this affect Bitcoin? Well, if we look at the price of Bitcoin, it hasn't really done much on this news at all. We're kind of going sideways and continuing what we've been doing. We had a big wick here. That was a lot of BitMEX liquidations, both on the short side and the long side. But largely, there's no real move off of this news. Now, the reason that they've, I think, have stopped or decided to stop listing it is just because the retailers have BitMEX, which is the derivatives leveraged exchange for Bitcoin. So they have futures contracts on that. And then the big boys have the CME, the CME futures contracts, right? And that's a larger contract, and that volume has been increasing. So the larger institutional players are using the CME as opposed to the CBOE contract. And this graph here is a comparative analysis of the volume. So the blue bars are the CME contract, and the light blue bars are the CBOE Bitcoin futures contract. And as you can see, the volume is just dwarfed by the CME contract. So I think it's just a matter of it wasn't worth their while to list this contract, at least the way that it's been specified and the size that it is. They're just not filling a niche. And the niches are retail niches being filled by BitMEX largely, and the institutional needs are being filled by this CME contract. So don't worry about this contract not being reissued or being put on hold. They said they will revisit this in the future, but right now, as CBOE has announced, they are not choosing to add the futures contract for trading in March 2019. They're assessing its approach with respect to how it plans to continue to offer digital asset derivatives for trading. While it considers its next steps, CFE does not currently intend to list additional XBT futures, that was the symbol for it, XBT, futures contracts for trading. Currently listed XBT futures contracts remain available for trading. So that's it. Those are being put on hold, and we'll probably hear an update later on that they've resumed trading it, would be my guess. Probably when there's more volume and more activity. Probably look for that, I would say, in 2020 would be my guess, as we get into another bull run. So, all right, guys. Well, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that and just let you know that not the end of the world. In fact, some people might look at that as a favorable thing, that there's less leverage out there with regards to the Bitcoin base Bitcoin pricing and in the derivatives market. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.
Trade Genius.